In this video, I'm going to show you how one Facebook page did over $40,000 in just 30 days using Facebook Instagram ads. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know that I've created a ton of videos talking about how to make money on Facebook using video. And because of that, my channel has become basically the go-to place when it comes to learning about monetization on Facebook. I got a ton of videos ranking on the first page of YouTube when it comes to monetizing your videos on Facebook, making money on Facebook, and anything related to Facebook. And a few weeks ago, one of my subscribers reached out to me on Instagram, and she shared with me how she made over $40,000 in a single month with just one Facebook page and uploading just a few videos to her page. Now, what I'm going to do in this video is share with you screenshots of how she was able to do this. I'm also going to provide you with some tips and information on how you can take advantage of this opportunity, because when it comes to making money with video, the first thing that people think is that the best place to make money with video is on YouTube. And even though on YouTube you can make a lot of money, just like one of my favorite YouTubers, Graham Stephan, made over $100,000 in a single month using YouTube.
How much money I make as a channel with over 1 million subscribers. Last month I did about 7.8 million views, and my take home from that was $129,122.99 in ad revenue.
On Facebook, you also have the same opportunities now, because Facebook is looking to get a piece of the pie and become one of the places where people go to upload their videos and monetize their content. So if you still don't know exactly what it takes to monetize your videos on Facebook, I'm going to put a link to this video, which is going to show you exactly how you can monetize your videos, what are the requirements, and how you can meet those requirements to start monetizing your videos on Facebook and start making some money. Now, if you're looking for a more detailed approach, step-by-step process on how to make money with videos on Facebook, I do have my Facebook Income School course, which has over 40 videos that can teach you exactly step-by-step how to build, grow, and monetize brand new Facebook pages in less than 90 days, and how you can take those Facebook pages to make over $100 per day by simply uploading other people's videos. So if you guys want more information about that, I'm going to put a link in the description below. But making money with videos on Facebook, it's not rocket science. It comes down to just 3 steps. Step number 1, you simply create a Facebook page in one specific niche. Step number 2, you grow that page to over 10,000 followers as fast as possible. And step number 3, you upload at least 1 or 2 videos per day to start getting organic engagement, getting more views, and monetizing your content. Now, of course, there's a few things that you have to keep in mind if you want to make more money. So for example, RPM is one of those things that you have to keep in mind, because the RPM is basically how much revenue for 1,000 views you're going to get on Facebook. And if you know how to target your audience on Facebook properly, you'll know exactly how to increase your RPM and make more money for every 1,000 views. All right, so let's talk about the actual information that you're here to watch in this video, and that is how she was able to make over $40,000 in a single month with her Facebook page. So as you can see from this screenshot, these earnings are for the month of November 2019, where this page made a whopping $41,000. That's an average of about $1,366 per day. Now, those earnings came from 51.9 million views. You can also see the spike in earnings, which signals that one or more videos went viral. This second screenshot shows that the total amount of views was well over 100 million views, yet only 51.9 million views were actually monetized. So that's mainly because those are what Facebook counts as 1-minute views. Now, here's where we actually see a breakdown of the numbers. As you can see, these earnings were not a result of just one video, but multiple videos that received millions of views combined. As you can see, every video is over 3 minutes long, and we get to see the ad impressions it received as well as the ad CPM, which is an estimate on how much Facebook was willing to pay for every 1,000 impressions on that video. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind is that in this page where the videos were actually posted and went viral, this page had over 500,000 likes, and basically it gets pretty good engagement most of the time, especially when it comes to videos. Now, there was one specific thing that happened during the time where she was able to make this type of money, and that was that she got demonetized. Her page was demonetized and received a violation, and that was one of the main reasons why she reached out to me on Instagram asking me whether she was actually going to get that money or not, because most people think that, you know, if you get demonetized, you're not going to get that money, and that's not the case. Even if you're able to make some money on Facebook and suddenly you get demonetized, Facebook still pays you that money at the end of the following month. And the reason why most pages get demonetized is mainly because they receive some type of violation, and most of the time you can appeal those violations through Facebook. Even though it can be a hassle, it can take some time to get those violations removed, but it's well worth it, because if you have a Facebook page where you can make $40,000 in a single month, it's well worth to just spend the time and trying to get those violations removed and see if you can continue to make money from those videos. Now, if you have received any violations on your page, I do have a video that can guide you on how to get those violations removed, how you can appeal those violations, and hopefully get your monetization back. But if you're still on the fence on whether or not to jump on Facebook video monetization, this proves that there's a lot of money to be made on Facebook if you know exactly what to do. And now you know that YouTube is not the only place where you can monetize your videos and you can make money from ad revenue. Facebook is going to compete directly with YouTube in 2020, and you can bet that they're going to be throwing a lot of money to publishers to make sure that they spend a lot of time creating content for Facebook, because that's exactly what they want you to do. They want you to spend more time on Facebook watching videos, because the more time you spend on Facebook watching videos, the more ads that they can show and the more money you can make as a publisher. Now, I'm not saying that you should choose Facebook monetization over YouTube monetization. What I'm saying is that if you have the opportunity to do both at the same time, why not diversify your sources of income and be able to make money with videos both on Facebook and YouTube at the same time? This is the best time to get into Facebook video monetization, and if you have the opportunity to do it on YouTube and Facebook, then go ahead and do it. So like I said, guys, I have a ton of different videos talking about video monetization on Facebook. You can go to my YouTube channel and you can search for Facebook video ad breaks, and you'll see a bunch of videos explaining the different things that you need to know when it comes to monetizing videos on Facebook and how you can improve and make more money with your videos. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video. If you did like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.